Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are going to discuss about top 20 MCQs of General Science part 6. Let's start. Question number 1. The number of spark plug needed in diesel engine is option number A 2, option number B 3, option number C 0, option number D 4. Correct answer is option number C 0. Question number 2. The half-life of radioactive element is 8 days. How long it take to reduce it from 1 mg to 5 mg? Option number A 4 days. Option number B 12 days. Option number C 16 days. Option number D 8 days. Correct answer is option number D 8 days. Question number 3. Kilowatt hour is the unit of option number A power, option number B electric current, option number C energy, option number D time. Correct answer is option number C energy. Question number 4. Fuel used to fast a breeder reactor is option number A uranium oxide, option number B uranium plutonium oxide, option number C both of these, option number D none of these. Correct answer is option number B uranium plutonium oxide. 5. Which of the following is a not metallic mineral? Option number A manganese, option number B magnesium, option number C gypsum, option number D none of these. Correct answer is option number C gypsum. Question number 6. Ozone layer prevent radiation from entering in atmosphere. Option number A infrared, option number B ultraviolet red, option number C X-ray, option number D gamma rays. Correct answer is option number B ultraviolet. Question number 7. Yeast is used in making bread because it produces option number A carbon dioxide, option number B sugar, option number C bacteria, option number D oxygen. Correct answer is option number A carbon dioxide. Question number 8. Oasis is associated with option number A glycerius, option number B desert, option number C Iceland, option number D volcanoes. Correct answer is option number B desert. Question number 9. Quartz crystal is quartz watches work on the principle is called option number A photoelectric effect, option number B Stark effect, option number C thermonomic effect, option number C piezoelectric effect. Correct answer is option number D piezoelectric effect. Question number 10. The fruit without seed like banana are called option number A seedless fruit, option number B parthenocarpic fruit, option number C organic fruit, option number D none of these. Correct answer is option number B parthenocarpic fruit. Question number 11. Animal which capture and readily kill a living animal its food is called option number A parasite, option number B predator, option number C mammal, option number D none of these. Correct answer is option number B predator. Question number 12. In winter an iron pipe feel cooler than wood window. This is because wood is a option number A conductor, option number B non-conductor, option number C semiconductor, option number D none of these. Correct answer is option number B. Question number 13. If the person simply hearing his unique voice date because why? Option number A, pitch. Option number B, frequency. Option number C, time period. Option number D, quality. Correct answer is option number A, pitch. Question number 14. Meter is the unit of option number A, energy. Option number B, time. Option number C, power. Option number D, distance. Correct answer is option number D, distance. Question number 15. German silver is a alloy of option number A, zinc plus nickel. Option number B, calcium plus zinc. Option number C, calcium plus nickel. Option number D, none of these. Correct answer is option number C, calcium plus nickel. Question number 16. The continent Antarctica lie on the option number A, North Pole. Option number B, South Pole. Option number C, middle of the earth. Option number D, equator. Correct answer is option number B, South Pole. Question number 17. The temperature of the dead body is option number A, 0 degree. Option number B, 37 degree. Option number C, room temperature. Option number D, temperature of the place where is kept. Correct answer is option number D, temperature of place where is kept. Question number 18. Lactometer is the type of hydrometer which is used to measure the specific gravity of option number A, honey. Option number B, water. Option number C, milk. Option number D, none of these. Correct answer is option number C, milk. Question number 19. Second is a unit of option number A, mass. Option number B, length. Option number C, time. Option number D, column. Correct answer is option number C, time. Question number 20. The deepest place on the earth. Option number A, trench. Option number B, Marina Trench. Option number C, main groove. Option number D, groove. Correct answer is option number B,